Hello, this is a quick video to show how to import 3D model in Blender. To import model into Blender, we can go to File, Import, and we can choose the file format, and I choose OBJ, and then we can go to File folder and choose OBJ file. In the setting on the right side panel, we can customize our own setting. I will keep this default setting and import waveform OBJ. I press Home key to trim all. If we want to preview the texture and material, we can switch to Material Preview. We can check that the model is in white color. If you want to change or relink the image texture, we can select the object and go to Material Properties and check the material. Actually, I suggest to split the viewports into two. And one of the viewport, I will switch to Shader Editor to show all the material and shader in this viewport. So we can check that some image texture is correct to roughness and other image texture is correct to normal. But the base color, I want to correct the color texture. So I press shortcut Shift A to search image texture. And then I use color, correct to base color, and open to relink the image. And select this color texture and open image. So we can see the material and texture on the 3D model. Furthermore, we have option to import other file formats. For example, go to File, Import. We can import DAE, FBX, GLB, glTF, or we can go to Edit, Preferences, and go to Add-ons. We can search Imports. If you check the box for 3ds, DXF, and then we can go back to File and Import. We can import 3ds, DXF file format. This is how we can import 3D model into Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.